I was just walking by, and then I heard a shuffling sound. And I realized I have some little friends nearby. Just kind of hang out. You know, when I first came to Canada, I just thought it was so amazing that I could stand so close to nature and, you know, being in nature without it being scared of me. And when we were able to stand so close to the animals, the only thing I remember my dad saying was, "Dinner! Are these animals like trying to get themselves killed or something? This would be perfect for dinner." That's all he could think about. And I guess that's kind of the Asian way, you know? Anything that on land that has 4 legs and anything in the sky that has 2 legs can be edible. But I sure love these little animals.